The prefix post means after, later, or following. This small prefix changes the meaning of words by showing something happens or exists after something else. Post helps us understand time relationships in English vocabulary. Post means positioned or occurring after something else. Think of post as showing sequence and timing. When you see post at the beginning of a word, it always connects to something that comes later in time. Postgraduate means study after completing basic graduation. Postpone means to delay or put something after the planned time. Both words show the clear after meaning of the post prefix. Postwar describes the time period after a war ends. Postscript is extra writing added after the main letter, often marked as PS. These show post, meaning something added or happening later. Postmortem refers to examination after death. Posthumous describes something given or happening after a person's death. Both connect directly to the after meaning of post. Postgame refers to activities or discussions after a sports game. Postseason means playoff games after the regular season ends. Post consistently shows what comes after the main event. Remember, post equals what comes after. Post shows time, events, or position that follows something else. Once you know this pattern, all post words become easy to understand.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.